Big news in PC gaming, something that set the entire community abuzz. Windows 11 has officially overtaken Windows 10 as the top choice for gamers everywhere, marking a huge milestone in the evolution of PC gaming. For years, Windows 10 was the go-to OS, stable, familiar, and reliable. It powered everything from casual gaming sessions to high-stakes esports tournaments. But as of July 4, 2025, more than half of all gamers on platforms like Steam are now using Windows 11. That's a massive shift in just a few short years. This marks a major shift, signaling a new era for PC gaming. It's not just a statistic, it's a sign that gamers are ready for what's next. When Windows 11 launched, many were skeptical, worried about bugs, compatibility issues, or losing their favorite features. Change can be intimidating, especially when your setup is dialed in just right. But Microsoft listened to the community, rolled out updates, and added features tailored specifically for gamers. They worked closely with developers and hardware makers to make sure Windows 11 would deliver. Now, the results are clear. Windows 11 is built for the latest hardware and the most demanding games. It's optimized for speed, graphics, and smooth gameplay. Gamers are embracing new tech for real benefits, moving beyond what's comfortable and stepping into a future where performance truly matters. So, what makes Windows 11 so special for gaming? Is it just about looks, or is there more under the hood? We'll break down the features, compare it to Windows 10, and share what real gamers are saying about their experiences with the upgrade. This isn't just about a new OS, it's about the future of gaming, and how technology is shaping the way we play, connect, and compete. Ready to see why Windows 11 is now the king of gaming operating systems? The excitement is real, and the possibilities are endless. Let's dive in and see if it's the right upgrade for your setup. Whether you're a competitive gamer or just love immersive worlds, this could be a game changer. Grab a drink, sit back, and let's explore the new standard in PC gaming together. There's a lot to discover, and you won't want to miss it. The numbers don't lie, change is here, and it's reshaping the landscape for everyone who loves games. Let's find out what it means for you, and how you can make the most of this exciting new chapter in PC gaming. Why are gamers flocking to Windows 11? The answer goes far beyond just a fresh interface or a new coat of paint. It's not just a new look, it's real performance upgrades that make a noticeable difference every time you play. Windows 11 is designed for modern gaming, optimizing how your PC uses its CPU and memory. The operating system intelligently manages resources so your games get the power they need, right when they need it. That means smoother gameplay, higher FPS, and less stutter, especially in fast-paced titles where every millisecond counts. It's also built to get the most out of the latest CPUs from Intel and AMD, using features like Thread Director for peak performance. This ensures your hardware investment pays off with every session. If you've invested in new hardware, Windows 11 helps you unlock its full potential. Upgrading your rig finally feels worth it, as the OS works hand in hand with your components. Plus, there are exclusive features, DirectStorage and Auto HDR, that you simply can't get on Windows 10. DirectStorage slashes load times, letting you jump into your favorite worlds almost instantly. Meanwhile, Auto HDR makes your games look more vibrant, with richer colors and deeper contrast, even in older titles. Microsoft is saving its best gaming tech for Windows 11, ensuring that the most advanced features are only available on their latest platform. If you want the latest and greatest, this is where you need to be. Updates and new features are rolling out faster than ever, keeping your system at the cutting edge. The future of PC gaming is here, and it's built into Windows 11. From indie hits to AAA blockbusters, everything just runs better. Upgrading isn't just about looks, it's about real, tangible improvements you can see and feel every time you play. Gamers want every edge they can get, and Windows 11 delivers, giving you the tools to compete at your best. That's why the switch is happening now, because for gamers, every advantage matters, and Windows 11 is leading the way. Let's talk DirectStorage, one of Windows 11's biggest game changers. Tired of long loading screens? DirectStorage is designed to make them nearly vanish. Instead of sending game data through your CPU, DirectStorage lets your NVMe SSD send it straight to your GPU. This direct path means faster load times and smoother open-world experiences. No more waiting for textures to pop in or stuttering as you explore. To use it, you need a fast NVMe SSD and a game built for DirectStorage. More new games are supporting it every month. This is a feature you won't find on Windows 10. Once you experience instant loading, you'll never want to go back. It's a perfect example of how Windows 11 unlocks the full power of modern hardware. For gamers, it's a must-have upgrade. DirectStorage is redefining what's possible in PC gaming. The future is fast and it's only on Windows 11. Auto HDR is another standout feature in Windows 11. It brings high dynamic range to older games, making colors pop and visuals more lifelike. Even classics like Skyrim or The Witcher 3 look stunning with richer sunsets and deeper shadows. Auto HDR uses AI to enhance games built on DirectX 11 and 12. No developer updates needed. All you need is an HDR-compatible monitor and a quick settings toggle. It's exclusive to Windows 11, instantly upgrading your entire game library. Microsoft is making sure your old favorites look better than ever. It's a simple switch that delivers a dramatic visual boost. For gamers with HDR displays, this is a game changer. Windows 11 makes your classics feel brand new. Every frame counts in gaming, and Windows 11 is built to deliver. Whether you're a competitive player or just want the smoothest experience, the operating system is designed to make sure your hardware works at its best, right out of the box. Its smarter task scheduler prioritizes your game, giving it more CPU and memory, while pushing background tasks aside. This means your system focuses on what matters most, your gameplay. So you get the fastest response times and the highest possible performance, even when you have other apps running in the background. This means fewer interruptions, less stutter, and more consistent performance. You'll notice smoother frame rates and a more immersive experience, especially during intense moments when every millisecond matters. Memory management is also improved. Games get the RAM they need, and your system stays responsive even after you're done playing. You can switch between your game and other tasks without worrying about slowdowns or crashes, making multitasking easier than ever. Windows 11 is especially optimized for the latest CPUs, using performance and efficiency cores to their fullest. It's designed to take advantage of new hardware features, so you get better battery life on laptops and more raw power on desktops. The OS knows how to assign game tasks to the fastest cores, squeezing out every bit of power. This intelligent resource allocation means your games load faster, run smoother, and stay stable even during long sessions. Windows 10 can't match this level of optimization for new hardware. If you're using the latest processors or graphics cards, you'll see a noticeable difference in how your games perform and how quickly your system responds. If you want your PC to run at its best, Windows 11 is the clear choice. It's not just about speed, it's about a seamless, enjoyable experience every time you sit down to play or work. The difference is subtle but real, especially on modern systems. You'll see faster load times, higher frame rates, and a more responsive desktop, all working together to make your PC feel brand new. Microsoft's focus is on speed, stability, and a snappier feel. With regular updates and new features, Windows 11 keeps getting better, ensuring your PC stays fast and reliable for years to come. For gamers, that means smoother sessions and less frustration. You can focus on winning, not on troubleshooting or waiting for your system to catch up. Upgrade, and you'll feel the difference. Your PC will thank you with every click, every game, and every victory. For years, gamers debated stick with Windows 10 or risk Windows 11. Early bugs and performance issues made many hesitate, but in 2025, Windows 11 is stable, fast, and packed with exclusive features. DirectStorage and Auto HDR aren't coming to Windows 10, they're only on Windows 11. Xbox integration is deeper with a smoother Game Pass experience and a more powerful game bar. Microsoft's focus is clear. All new gaming features are for Windows 11. Windows 10 is still solid, but it's no longer getting major updates for gamers. Staying on Windows 10 means missing out on the latest tech. For those who want the best experience and future-proofing, Windows 11 is the obvious choice. The gap is only going to widen as new games and hardware arrive. The era of Windows 10 is ending. Windows 11 is now the platform built for gamers. The choice has never been clearer. No OS is perfect, and gamers have plenty to say about Windows 11. The good? DirectStorage and Auto HDR are real upgrades. Faster loads, better visuals, and a modern, cleaner design. The new taskbar and start menu feel more organized to many, and multitasking is easier, but there are complaints. Windows 11 requires newer hardware, leaving some older PCs behind. Some miss classic features like the old right-click menu or moving the taskbar to the side. These changes disrupt workflows that gamers have used for years. Still, most agree the gaming improvements outweigh the annoyances. Microsoft could listen more to user feedback, especially on UI tweaks. For those with compatible hardware, the benefits are clear. For others, the upgrade path feels forced. Windows 11 isn't perfect, but it's a big step forward for gaming. The community's verdict? Mostly positive, with room for improvement. The numbers tell the story. Windows 11 is now the most popular OS among Steam gamers. As of June 2025, it holds over 51% market share, finally surpassing Windows 10. Just a year ago, Windows 10 was still in the lead. The rapid shift shows gamers aren't just trying Windows 11, they're sticking with it. New gaming PCs come with Windows 11 pre-installed, and the end of Windows 10 support is near. Security updates matter, especially for gamers with valuable accounts. Positive word of mouth is spreading. Gamers share their smooth experiences online, building confidence. Early fears about bugs have faded, replaced by excitement for new features. The Steam survey isn't just numbers, it's millions of gamers choosing Windows 11. The trend is clear and accelerating. Windows 11 is now the standard for PC gaming. The community has spoken. So, what's the verdict? Windows 11 is now the undisputed champion of PC gaming OS. Microsoft listened, fixed early issues, and delivered real benefits for gamers. Exclusive features like DirectStorage and Auto HDR set it apart. Smarter performance, deeper Xbox integration, and a focus on modern hardware make it the clear winner. It's not perfect. Hardware requirements and some UI changes are still debated, but for most gamers the advantages far outweigh the drawbacks. The Steam numbers confirm it, the community has moved on. Sticking with Windows 10 means missing out on the latest in gaming tech. For the best performance, visuals, and future-proofing, Windows 11 is the way forward. As of July 4, 2025, it's the platform leading PC gaming into the next generation.